Welcome back to Canva tutorial. And now that you've finished the design, let's share it to the world. We'll take a look at how you can save, share, comment, download, or even professionally print your designs with Canva. Your design saves automatically every time you make a change in Canva. Basically, this is where you can see it, all your design. You can also manually save your designs. So this is where all your designs are automatically saved. Let's try to click the recent one that we've created. You can also manually save your design after doing some changes by clicking on File and then clicking on Save. Now you can share designs with your friends or teammates. Just click on Share and then enter their email address. Say, for example, my email address, mark.flores at wensu.edu.ph, and then send. Okay, your design was shared, and you can also click this invite to your team. Invitation was sent. After sending an invitation to a teammate, okay, for a collaboration, you can ask him to accept the invitation by telling him or her, to open his email and accept the invitation. So in this case, I also have the other account to show you how it can be done. So we can go to email of that other person and it's here. So the other person should accept the invitation. After accepting the invitation, this screen appears. Welcome to Darren Flores' team. Canva is jam-packed with easy and so on and so forth. Take a look around. You can invite them to comment or collaborate on your design. What you can do is you select the object that you want them to comment on and then click on this add comment. From there on, you can type the at sign and then automatically Canva will show you the members of the team, or you can type manually the email address. Okay, so for this instance, let's just click on this. Then say you can type, what do you think of this photo? And then comment. On your other teammate's screen on his Canva, when he opens up his shared with you tab and click on the design that you've shared to him or to her. When he tries to edit it, a notification will show here that the message that you sent him. So he can also reply, that's a great photo. When you open your Canva now, you will also see this is now your Canva. It's not yet, just have to refresh it. Okay, so here is the reply of the other teammate. If you tag a team member, they'll receive a notification. And when they reply, you'll be notified too. And that is what you have been shown. Once your design is complete, you can download it as a still image by choosing from PNG or JPG. This one or this. Or also as an animated image by selecting an MP4 or a GIF. MP4, this one, or a GIF. You can also connect your account and post it straight to your social media platform. From here, and then you've got it here. It can be LinkedIn or you can Can also be Facebook, Facebook group, and so on and so forth. If you need it to be printed, just select your print options from the menu from here, this one here. You can select business cards, posters, gift certificates, and much more. As you can see, with Canva, it's easy to express your ideas and achieve your goal. Thanks for watching.